YouTube tests e-commerce option for Shorts. YouTube Shorts is the video streaming company's answer to TikTok, and it looks like the Google-owned company may also be competing with TikTok Shop. YouTube is adding new shopping features to its short-form video platform, according to a story first reported by the Financial Times. Expected to roll out sometime next year for users in the US, Canada, Australia, Brazil, and India, creators will receive a 45% share of ad revenue once the program launches. Affiliate marketing program also in the works. In addition to the new shopping features, YouTube plans to implement an affiliate marketing program to pay select content creators a commission on sales generated by product promotion. This program is still in the early testing phase, though it is expected to roll out to more creators in 2023.